Welcome back. This is our train expert channel. We got a light power train for the second straight video. Let's check it out. Already got two. That's a second straight light power train right here. Right? Again, no gates in this. I think they just disabled the gates. I think that's twice we ever had the gates going up when either we have a train coming or not. Shouldn't be a long one. Let's wait for this horn and then we'll get off. There you go. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. That'll be the grain hoppers at the Oil Creek Plastics. Talk to you later.